can see how to catch a snake by a snake trap. This is my snake trap, and I catch this python, and then I will teach you how to make this. You need just make a little cage. I think he's already mad. And then you need just make a little cage like this, and then you put just some Coke bottle. You cut it and put it like that. And the Coke bottle should be, bring it closer, closer, closer. The Coke bottle should be like from inside. You have to make it like that. Bring it closer, closer, closer inside. You can see it like that, and then the other side should be like this. As of now, I put tape because there was a snake, and when he getting inside, he cannot go out anymore. Oh.